How to pair the Turtle Beach Stealth 500. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to pair up the Turtle Beach Stealth 500. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. So the number one thing you can do is connect up the transmitter to the USB port on the console and power of the headset off. Press and hold the pair button on the transmitter for about 5 seconds using a paper clip or something similar, and the LED light will begin to be flashing rapidly. And then the pair button on the transmitter is recessed to prevent entering pairing mode accidentally. You can just go ahead and press and hold the power button on the right ear cup of the headset until the power LED flashes rapidly. A voice prompt through the headset will confirm that the headset has entered pairing mode. You'll be finding a voice, and within 5 to 10 seconds, the LED on the transmitter will become solid and the power LED on the headset will blink once per second. And a voice prompt will confirm that the pairing process was successful, and then the headset and transmitter are now paired, and you should be able to hear the gaming audio and chat through the headset. And that is it. Now your Turtle Beach Stealth 500 headset is now paired and ready to use on your PS4, PS5, or even your Xbox. So hopefully this video helped you get connected. So if you have got any questions, you can just drop a comment below and we will be more than happy to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.